People be rolling, screaming on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all combed out in a Hummer fit. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that your love is away. You and your girls wanna ride, stay all day, puff on the line. Say what, say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up, up. Ooh, say what, say what?
Hey y'all, okay, so this is the final look. I wet it down as I said. I didn't go with the mousse, but I was prepared to, but the water seems to have did it. I do have a little bit of conditioner in my bottle, but it's a little leave-in conditioner. So I just sprayed this along, you know, throughout the hair, and the curl pattern really like came to life. Yeah, I'm really liking this unit, you guys. It's very, very soft. It's no shedding. It's short and it's curly, so there is no like combing to this. This is really kind of like one of those just shake it and like kind of go, and it's really hardly nothing to shake because it's really short. But yeah, I really like this look. It's really girly and really cute with some good earrings on. You know, your face is, you know, just done real cute, and your outfit is together. Like, this is a really cute feminine look, and I really, really like this. I've never had a unit like this before, but I am liking it. Sister Wig is an Amazon vendor, and they are on Amazon.com or on the Amazon app, whichever one you prefer, the website or the app. You can look them up. I'm going to hashtag this company and the title, so that way you could just click on the title and you'll be able to look at other reviews, not just solely mine, but they have other textures and looks of wigs as well. And that way, if you just want to see what other things this company offer, maybe you don't care for this, maybe this is too short for you, or you feeling like this is too summerish for the fall time for you, you know, you can look this company up and just see other reviews. They were very kind enough to send me a discount code for you guys. So Amazon is already just pretty much affordable anyway, but when you got a discount code, girl, it's a win-win. So check that description box down below so that you can get all the details, all the links, all the discounts that you guys will want and need. All that will be linked down below. I really like this. I know it's like a little summery, but this is kind of just giving me like natural vibes. Like, you just like washed your hair, you threw in some conditioner, and you walking out the store. Like, that's what this is giving me. It's like very natural. Like, if somebody didn't know you, they would probably think this was your hair. Like, this is like the texture of your hair. I really like this. Let me turn around for you guys. So this is like the front. Y'all know I am not like a beast with wigs, y'all. I'm learning. I am learning. I'm learning. So, you know, I'ma probably more than likely tweak it a little bit, you know, especially after I, you know, kind of do my face up, get dressed and stuff like that. I'ma play around more with just the front, but right now this is how it's looking. So this is the front, then this is the side, the back, and the other side. And I really like this. Like, I like this. It's just so carefree, like, and especially, you know, I'm a mom, so I really don't be having time to be flat iron and 20 inches of wig every day. You know, like my time is just precious. So having something like this that I could just kind of shake, throw on and go. And y'all, I put this on so quick. I don't know how the clips may make it kind of look, but this was very, very easy and quick to do because it was already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and everything. I just went through, and because y'all know I am chocolate, so I did have to go through and just kind of, you know, darken the lace just a little bit. It was a little too white for my liking, and then my natural scalp was just not even that white. Added just a little color to it just to warm the scalp color up a little bit. But other than that, you guys, that was pretty much it. Y'all watched me do it. I just sprayed it and threw it to the side, and that's it. Like, some earrings really make this style like really pop. Yeah, I just threw this behind my ear and you're good to go. Like, this is such a cute look, and I feel like anybody can wear this. It don't matter the shape of your face, the width of your face. I feel like this will complement everybody because this can be the natural state of our hair, you know. So I really, really like this. Check the description box down below. I have Sister Wig. I hope I am saying it right. I hate pronouncing these company names. That's why I just type them on the screen, because sometimes I just butcher them. But thank you so much for reaching out to me, for sponsoring today's video. You guys be sure to check them out. Everything, like I said, is down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Bye.